Hi of TV, Halloween without a pumpkin? No way. Today we made a jack-o'-lantern. Fast, fun and a little spooky. Preparing the pumpkin. Let's go! Step 1. Cut the top, scoop the inside. Pick a big pumpkin. Cut the top like a lid. Now scoop out the seeds and guess with a spoon. Don't be shy. This part is messy but fun. Drawing the face. Step 2. Draw the spooky face. Take a marker and draw your face. Eyes, nose, mouth. You can go scary, funny or totally weird. If drawing is not your thing, print a stencil. Easy. Carving the pumpkin. Step 3. Cut the face. Careful. First eyes, then nose, then mouth. Time to cut. Follow the lines slowly. Be careful. We want scary pumpkins, not scary accidents. The final glow. Step 4. Light it up. Put a candle or LED inside, turn off the lights and boom! Halloween magic! Your pumpkin is alive. Well, almost. Jack-o'-lantern, easy, spooky, fun. And that's it. One pumpkin, one candle, and you've got Halloween vibe at home. Happy Halloween! Try it yourself and don't forget to subscribe to Off TV for more spooky fun.